Hello, I'm going to be reviewing my code for the benchmark week 4. I created 3 different packages in com.create code, the .controllers, .models, and .services. Inside of the .services, all the old code was brought over. Inside of the .models, created a new game class. And in the controllers, created the game controller class. So start with game here. This will allow us to pretty much run the game. So we're annotating with the add component, which tells Spring that this is a component it can create. We have a toString in here for our game ID. We have a string, private string game ID. Of course, we have our default constructor so that Spring can use it. We have our constructor with the game ID in here, and also a getter. And this allows us to transmit a game ID to the post method. Okay, moving on to game controller. Over here, we have our post mapping for post, obviously, and you can see in the parameters here we're calling games. And again, like I said, this creates a game for us in post. So the instruction here was to return the current game of an existing game or create a new game and return the first turn. And post does not advance the game, which I'll demonstrate in Postman. Then we have our get, put, mapping as well. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and let's see. I don't think I need to go through it. Yeah, this is from the last milestone, benchmark. So I'm going to go ahead and run Postman now. All right, and let's see. I'm going to go here to Post under Uno Game, and I want to create a game ID new game. Okay, and we can see that that has been created. And if we look down here in our console, you can see that new game has been created as well. All right. And if I wanted to run 2 at once, we could say new game 2. You can see new game 2 is down here now. So we can create multiple games using this post method. Now to advance the game, we're going to be using put. So I'm going to specify with my game ID that I'm referring to new game here, not game 2. And then I can just go through turn by turn. And it is updating here. So we have all the information here. And we can also see it in the console, which we won't be using, but it's kind of handy, at least for the video. All right, we're just going to keep going until we get a winner. Okay, so I saw player 3 won. Scroll down here. Yep, and it looks like player 3 won. Okay, and I believe that concludes this video. Thank you. Bye.